So we're gonna test out the waterproof notepads. We're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna get somebody's autograph here. Just write a couple of notes. We'll throw it in the water, and then we'll take it out, let it dry up, and take it out and see if it's really waterproof. So, what is the waterproof? Is it the actual paper or the cover? We're gonna find out. Go ahead and throw this pad in the water, complete pad, and if you guys can see it. So we're gonna walk into the pool, and hopefully it won't clog any of our filters. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll leave it there for a couple minutes and we'll come back, let it soak up, and then we'll see if it's really waterproof. All right, after maybe 30 minutes in the water, we'll go see how it works. And let's see the paper. Yeah, it is waterproof paper. Look at that. Take it out. See if we could see if it smudges anything. I want to see. And we probably could write underwater too to take some notes if you're like biologist or something. Or look at that. Doesn't remove anything. Take it out and we could just let it. It's actually really good waterproof test. We're gonna let it dry out and we're gonna put it in the sun here. Look at that. Sticky, but it works. And it's drying up. Look at that. Some sort of glossy cover, protective cover, so it's not bad. So, waterproof? Yes, it is waterproof. Just let it get dry, and oh, look at that in the back. Another great thing in the back. There's a little ruler in the back, inches and centimeters. If you guys can see that. So, concept of waterproof. It is waterproof. I hope you guys enjoy that. So.